In this video, I will show you how to reset Snapchat password via email. So I will show the step-by-step process of doing it, and it should work on your iOS as well as Android device. So let's start it. First of all, you have to open your Snapchat. Okay, after opening your Snapchat profile, you have to click on your profile icon at the top left corner. Then you have to click on this gear option, sign. Then you will get the password option here. So if you want to reset, you have to click on the password option. Okay, then to set a new password, you have to provide your current password. If you forgot this password, then you have to click on forgot your password. Then what media you want to reset it, I'm selecting via email. Then this option will come. From here you have to provide your email address from where you want to reset your password. So I'm providing my email address which I have used to open this account. After that, I have to click on submit. You have to click on submit. Then okay, then this message will come. From here, if you check your inbox, then you will see one email will come to your Snapchat. Okay, this is the email come from Team Snapchat. You have to open this email. Then if you want to reset the password, you have to click this link, then open with using Chrome again. Then you from this option you can reset your password. Okay, suppose you have to provide your new password and then confirm password. After doing, if you just click on save, then this password will save as your new password. Then you can easily log in by using your new password. So in this way you can reset Snapchat password via email. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.